Okay, hello, welcome again. Now then, where are we up to with this beastie? This is where we're up to now. I didn't film it, you didn't watch me taking it all off and putting this bit on, but what I've got to do is make sure that that fitted on that base, and it does quite well. Now then, I've already read the instructions well before I've got them, but I've got them here, and I've got what they call, I don't know what you call that, the cheat sheet, I suppose. Now, people have been saying about books like this, about showing photographs. Now, to me, I don't mind this. I don't mind this at all, because this tells me exactly what I want to know, and I can't find fault in it. Probably it's because of the industries I was brought up with. That's because what we started off with was a blank canvas, basically like that, as I started off with, and then a load of bits like this chucked on my bench, and the guy that was in charge of downstairs had come up and say, right Phil, build that. I want the wires coming in here and I want the wires going out there. And that was it. That was all the information that I had. So to me, this is a bloody luxury, because that tells me everything. That does. That tells me everything that I want to know. So okay, what we're going to do now is, what you're going to see is me starting to put this lot together, and hopefully it'll go where the other one did. Now, I haven't tried it since I've done this, but I'm pretty certain as I should have for him. Now, I've had it brought further forward because it'll make life easier for me. Now, these are the extension plates. I'll bob these on because I'll get this. Now, what I like about this as well is you're given this Allen key, and it's dual purpose Allen key. Brilliant, absolutely magic. I mean, there's a long way to go yet before I can use it, because I've got to make sure is everything's square, as you should do. On the other one it wasn't, and you know, it took me bloody ages to get stuff square. So this is where I've learnt, you know, it's something that I've learnt over the years. It's what you've got to, it's what you've got to have. It's in a case of that'll do. It's a case of you, if you want good joints, they've got to have them square, haven't you? And that's what it comes down to. Right. I should put some music on, I think, while you're watching this, because I'm not doing much. Now, I don't edit my videos, people. These videos might go on for a little bit. I apologise to those that do like to watch edited videos, but I think it's so much nicer when you see it as it's being done. Right, okay, so that's had 2 little bits on, so I'm going to get the other bits on now, so bear with me. I'm going to have to uncouple myself from this. It might get a bit noisy. and then we'll see where we go from there. Oh, I've lost my little. Yeah, there it is. I won't put that on there, I'll put that on underneath. Now the one thing it says is make sure that both of them are in the green and sticking out. And they are in the green and sticking out. So we can now slide that in there. And fasten it down so as it doesn't go tramped up. Just while I'm looking at this. Oh, look at that. Sticks out a bit further, but it goes in the same place where it was before. That's okay. I shan't want that on this new one. It's not needed. I could even shove that over a little bit and probably turn this around a little bit further to get it in, but we shall deal with that shortly. Right, now this is all the hardware. Now I thought, in a minute, yeah, I must have been wrong. Now, what I was going to say is, I thought that there was a spring on that. Oh no, it's on the top one, that's it. So we'll screw that bit in. That's it. That works, champion. It goes over me other one with the bandsaw on, so that's okay. But I might have to oh, that's even better. That's even better. Okay. Right, so far it's bloody solid and I like it. What I don't like about it is this bit of plastic isn't sitting right, but that might not bother me any road I'm now going to put the main part of the motor on and get this little piece on, which is for wrapping the cable round and keeping it nice and tidy. So we'll get that done next now.